I'm Cleve Rickerson, and today I'm gonna become one with nature. When you become one with nature, things may happen, like my buddy Chris over here. Chris is now a tree. My buddy Jimmy is a stick. He was never a person. I just named this stick, and he's my friend. Part of becoming one with nature is to consume nature. This little worm here, found him out over in the marsh. Here we go. He has almost a sugary texture. He must have gotten into Grandma's cookies. I see a wildebeest. Or maybe a squirrel. Probably a wildebeest. Part of becoming one with nature is camouflage. Do you see me in this image? How about here? Can you find me? Look closely now. That was a trick question. I was in absolutely none of those images. Making a box with my hands. Shoot a bow and arrow. You know I can. Open it up. Close for closure. Sneak attack. Then I regain my composure so I can fight all the bad guys. Cause I'm super cool, they're super bad, and that is alright. Look at these mountains. They are so serene. It makes me wanna scream. Cleve Rickerson, living the dream. This man before me is already one with nature. You can tell that by his lack of a shirt. As a rite of passage, I too must lose my shirt. Here we go. Thank you, sir. I will now become one with nature, utilizing the powers of earth, wind, fire, earth, wind, and fire, and water. I am now one with nature. Fear me! Or don't. I'm a pretty cool guy. Don't fear me. Let's get to know each other. All right.